On the day that this video releases, we'll be marking 7 years of this channel existing. On the 5th of June 2012, my channel was created. And since then I've been continuing to do this YouTube thing. But the fact that I've got 7 years of doing it is mind-blowing. So, because 7 years, even though it's not quite a big milestone yet, 7 years is still 7 years, and I wanted to make a video dedicated to the history of my channel and how it's grown over the years and how my content's changed. So this is what I've put together for you guys. This is the history of Techwen, and I hope you guys enjoy it. It was quite the journey to edit this all together, so I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Humble beginnings. On the 5th of June 2012, the channel Owen Crisp was born. I started as an 8-year-old with no real editing or filming experience, and I only made the channel as one of those things to do. The first video was filmed on a webcam that had been gifted to me by a friend's dad. Here's a clip of my first video. Unfortunately, there is some stupid music playing over it, as I've lost the original file and I could only find a compilation of my old videos I made in 2015.
Hi, this is Owen. I'm just doing a test. So, yeah. Bye.
Little did I know, I'd continue making videos 7 years after its creation. 2013 featured some of my first technology related videos.
And today I'm doing an unboxing of the 4-port Konig electronic VGA switch.
This was at a time when I started to get into redesigning my desk setup.
Here is my second desk, Acer Aspire 1, which has decided to go to sleep.
And was the year I got my first laptop, an Acer Aspire V5 Touch, a step up over the Dell Dimension 8400 with a Pentium 4 I was using in my room at the time. But honestly, 2013 was a fun year, and I certainly enjoy looking back on some of those videos that I made at the time. '14 was more of what the previous years had been, videos shot on my Sony Handycam about things to do with tech at the time. I genuinely look back on these times as the golden age of my channel. I was so innocent, and seeing a 10-year-old version of myself trying to talk about tech when I didn't really know what I was on about is rather funny to me. Something to note is that the channel was renamed at some point to Owen's Video Game Collecting, and I'll roll the intro that I made for that phase of the channel. This name change and rebranding was changed back to Owen Crisp before 2015 started. "2015 is probably the farthest I've ever been from making tech videos on the channel. To be honest, it was more about me enjoying making videos with friends, hence why all the videos were gaming related. There was a few tech videos, but they were rather amateur, and videos such as my Minecraft Let's Play Survival, which only got one episode, dominated the channel at the time.
Yeah, but I know we did.
They do this vanilla Minecraft thing. I mean, I've never really heard of it.
Yeah, but yeah, because our Tech It survival didn't really.
I also made this interesting recreation of the Apple iMac 3 Steps commercial.
Step 1. Plug in. Step 2. Get connected. Step 3. There's no step 3. There's no step 3.
Overall, I did have fun making videos in 2015, but they weren't anything professional and, well, more of just something to laugh with. In 2016, I was actually really enjoying making YouTube videos. It was the year that was completely filled with the rise of drama channels, yet I still stayed doing my own thing. I hit 100 subscribers during this year.
How did this happen?
Which only took me 4 years since I started my channel. I also made this abomination of a video.
Hi, how are you? Do you want something? Right, hi, do you want me to show you my car?
It was for a school project, however. I hope that's an excuse. Bless up KA, I miss you. I made my first setup tour video in about a year, and it's really interesting to see how things change from this, my 2015 setup, to this. "2017 was a year where I just put out a video for the sake of putting one out. I honestly had no care for quality or enjoyment. I just wanted to have a video to upload about a computer, as it was my passion. In all honesty, I miss being able to do this, but I realised my new style wouldn't really allow for laziness. I have to admit, I made one of the coolest intros for 2017. Other than that, one video to take notice of is my 2017 ultimate, in heavy quotation marks, sleeper build, which had an AM2 Sempron and 2GB of RAM. I didn't know how to benchmark either at the time, so it was just a build video and nothing else. 2017 was an alright year, but it didn't really have any growth on the channel. As mentioned earlier, this is where my channel really hit its best. We start off 2018 by hitting 200 subscribers.
I hit 200 subscribers a few days ago, which is, you know, insane. Like,
little did I know that I would times this figure by 5 by the end of the year. You can really tell that I didn't find my style until later on, as I was still making vlog style videos about topics such as YouTube's demonetization change.
I'll be addressing the recent, very recent, YouTube removing monetization from smaller channels.
Which frustrated me a lot, as at the time when the changes were being implemented, my AdSense earnings had skyrocketed. I still have yet to hit the 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months, the minimum requirements. In February of 2018, Techwen was born as we know it today. A month later, I would create my first PC build video, stylized to look a bit like a cross between Budget Builds Official, which funnily enough I later on became good friends with, and Greenham Gaming, who is someone I still look to for inspiration. Moving along a bit, in May 2018 I made the video on the i3 530. Although it's not one of my most popular videos, in my opinion it's one of the best looking and best shot videos to date. On the 30th of July 2018, I released a video titled Trying to Build a PC for £5 in a collaborative project with Budget Builds Official, Hobstech and Techo. This video blew up within a matter of minutes after being uploaded. I was watching my sub count rise and rise, and I was blown away with how much support I got for both my style and just in general the video. I still have to say a big thank you to the 3 others. They certainly helped to make the channel grow. I believe this should now take us into 2019, present day. 2019, in all honesty, hasn't gone the way I expected it to, so far. I've made a total of 3 successful videos in the span of 5 months, but it's only because I've been taking the time to focus on the quality over the quantity, and I've been trying to find my own independent style. This has proven successful, as the videos I've spent more time on have come out with a lot more support than the rushed videos. But that's about it. We have yet to find out what the future is going to bring to the channel, and I certainly can't wait. I thank you for all the support over the 7 years. While subscribers have come and gone, I'm glad to have the fan base I've got now. So, I hope you guys enjoyed that. It's 7 years. 7 years since I was 8 years old have I been doing this channel. Crazy, mind-blowing. We're not quite at a decade yet, but we'll get there eventually. But still, either way, I thank you all for your continuing support, and I'll see you in the next video. I promise you, a video is going to come soon on an actual computer, so I hope you're ready for that. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.